Okay, we need to evaluate sine 2u, cosine 2u, tan 2u, given that the cotangent is negative and we are in the fourth quadrant between 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi. So I'm going to draw my triangle in the fourth quadrant. The angle with the x-axis is u, and label the appropriate sides. Now, if the cotangent is -6, that would be the adjacent over the opposite. So it's going to be 6 over 1, and one of those has to be negative. And which one has to be negative? Actually, that one has to be negative, right? Why? Because it's below the middle. Okay, use Pythagorean theorem to find this side. It would be the square root of 6 squared plus -1 squared, which is the square root of 37. Okay, now we have formulas for the sine of 2u and the cosine of 2u and the tangent of 2u, right? And they are all in terms of sine of u and cosine of u. So it's that we can read off of our triangle now. So the sine of 2u should be 2 times -1 over the square root of 37. Right, the cosine of u is 6 over the square root of 37. So this is 2 times -1 times 6, -12 over 37, because the square root times the square root just gives us 37. Right? The cosine of 2u. Remember, you have 3 different formulas that you can use for this. But I think I'll use 2 cosine squared u minus 1, which will be 2 times, the cosine was 6 over 30, the square root of 37, minus 1. Oh, sorry, that was squared. So this is 2 times 36 over 37 minus, and I need a common denominator, so let me make this 37 over 37. And that will be 72 minus 37. 72 minus 37, which is what? 35. 35 over 37. And then when it comes to the tangent, we do have a formula for the tangent of 2u. But if you already know the sine and the cosine, you know that you can just divide them. Right? So the tangent of 2u equals -12 over 37 divided by 35 over 37. Right? And the divide by 37s are going to cancel, and we'll get -12 over 35.